Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I told you guys I was going to be coming at you with some jewelry videos made from different types of materials. So in this one we are going to be strictly using foam. I actually have on a pair that I made. As you can see, these are cute, you guys. They are blinging. I also did a matching bracelet as well, and you can see the glitter in that. Foam is one of my favorite materials to work with. It's so lightweight, like very lightweight. I'm going to show you different ones that I came up with, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, these are another pair that I came up with, and as you can see, it has a hint of glitter in these as well. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me get a little closer. Yes, I just did the glitter pretty much just going around the outside, but my favorite colors is red, black, and white, so I just had to because these are main colors that I wear. I think they came out cute. I love big earrings. I'll go ahead and switch to some more. These are another pair that I did that I just love. These do not have any glitter on it. Now this is foam as well, but what I did was I took some fabric and I pretty much covered the foam with the fabric with Mod Podge, and that is how I got these. I used to sell these earrings a lot on my Etsy shop. People bought them, especially when I made like a Wonder Woman. Those sold like the heaviest, like heavy. And those took me so long to make that I was just like, I'm just gonna take it down because y'all, but making these types of earrings do sell. I'm gonna show you guys another pair. Okay, so here I am getting into like the stud post. These are not like the dangle earrings, but you guys look at that. It is cute. I love it too. Now for these, this is foam at the same time, but like I said, I on these I used, what are those things called? Like the it's not really fabric, but you can get it in like the cardstock, you know, with the designs and stuff. And I also just glued that to the foam, and that's how I got that. I'm going to show you guys a few more. Okay, and the same thing with these, but instead of using like a plain foam sheet, I just decided to use the glitter, and I like it. To me, it looks like a mermaid. Like if I would have put some purple up in there, it would have reminded me of the Little Mermaid. And then my last pair, I just did green with some black, because that's also a color that I wear a lot. But yeah, we about to get up into this and make some earrings. All right, you guys, so I'm going to pretty much be doing a bracelet now. As you can see, I have already started. Yeah, I love the glitter in that one, and I am using some stretchy string or whatever the crap this is. I usually use like a clear elastic fishing line thing, or looking stuff in a needle and thread it through. But like I said, I just moved in, and y'all, a lot of my stuff is still missing. So for the bracelets, you can also do this for earrings as well, you guys. But for the bracelets, all you do is cut out little tiny squares to your size, whatever size you want to do. And you can use either one of these to, you know, just punch a hole in it, or you could use a thumbtack. Like, you can literally use whatever you want. And because my line is just a little bit bigger, I'm just gonna stretch it open a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much all you do. And then once you got your hole, all you do is just put it down on the line and just keep going until you fill up the whole thing. But that is all that you do. Cut out your squares to the size that you want, poke a hole in it, and thread it through. I'm going to go ahead and finish, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so to get started, my daughter seen the earrings that I had, and they pretty much wanted a pair like these. So this is what I'm going to be making right now. Go ahead and get your materials out. They wanted this holographic looking thing, and one wanted pink, one wanted purple. So I'm going to do both. So what I like to do, because it's simple, is just go ahead and take the corners. I do this one for my older one. And go ahead and cut, because of course on the corners you get your perfect triangle, your perfect angle. And then I just take that, size it up in the other corner. That way it is the same. If you guys have worked with foam before, you know, let me know some different styles that you have done. You can also like hang chains from these things. Y'all, I've done so many things. I done put chains on these things. I done also put like little studs, diamonds. Y'all, I done hooked some foam up. Like I said, foam is my favorite material to work with when doing jewelry. I've done necklaces, bracelets, everything. All right, so once I got that, these is pretty much my 2 earrings right there. And so now I need to cut this to the size that I need it. And again, I am going to be using, could I use the corners on this? I don't know. This corner look kind of funky. Probably will not use the corners on this. Not on this one. So what I think I'm going to do is just freely cut some triangles, y'all. All right, let's see how that looks. Yeah, it don't look too good, y'all. Okay, it fit on that one. Okay, and that's pretty much how that came out. As you can see, it fits on there perfect like I need it to. So now I just need to copy it, right? But flip it this way and do it. So pretty much just holding it down, using it as a template for my other one. Yeah, you could trace it with a pencil, but I don't feel like doing all that. I'm not going to do all that. So there you go. You now got your 2 earrings. Look at that. And them things is shining, y'all. They is shining. Okay, so what you can do now is you can take some Mod Podge, or you can either E6000. You could also do your glue gun. Matter of fact, I'm going to do the glue gun. I'm going to take the glue gun and I'm pretty much going to glue this onto the back of there. I'll be back. All right, you guys, I am back. I got it glued down. So now what you want to do is you want to take, I have no idea what this thing is called, but it's like the back of your earring, and we are going to glue it down. So I'm going to go ahead, flip them both over, and I am using E6000. I would not recommend your glue gun because it does not last. They break off. So yeah, I do not recommend that. These are the colors that my daughters picked out. If you guys had a favorite, I would love to know which one it is. I'm still undecided about which one is my favorite. I like the maroon and the black, because the black kind of to me looks like a leather texture. That's just me. Okay, But as you can see, I'm gonna show you. Put the lid back on this, and then you guys gotta let this dry. I recommend overnight, but I don't leave mine to dry that long. But as you can see, there is different sizes that you can do. These are small. These are much bigger. You know, my young daughter would not be wearing these big old things. But you guys, please have fun with this. Like, foam is a great material to work with. It is very lightweight. Even if I've done had some long earrings and it just feels like I'm wearing nothing. Especially if you put like the fabric on it, you bling them out, you glitter them out. It's so much you can do with these. If there is another type you would like me to go into detail with besides just just these, let me know. I don't mind doing another video if you wanted to know about the fabric kind, which is still drying. But I just love the way that turned out. But yeah, you guys, let me know which one is your favorite. And as always, I will see you guys so soon, because you guys, I have my own space. You don't hear no kids. Y'all, this is lovely. I might just stay in here. I might eat in here. I might live in here just to get away. So serious. I'm contemplating life right now. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.